So this is my first time using chains on a tire, let alone a lawnmower tire. I wish I would have bought these a long time ago. I paid 40 bucks for both of them on Amazon. They're pretty simple. You got a hook back here that latches, depending on your size of tire. I can't, where's the link at? Right here, wherever that loose part is. Anyway, that'll link there, and then you have the other dilly up here, if I can find it. Hard telling unless I'm putting it on. Right here. They call that a lock link, I guess. It kind of comes through one and then it comes back and locks on another. I have had a problem with these fall off a few times, but I'm sure that's my own fault, user error. As you can see, my driveway out here, literally nothing but ice. It's melted a little bit now. You can see here it's melted. And before I could not get anywhere without the chains. Now I have the chains on. It's like 1,000 times better. Having to walk very careful. But I got the chains put on a lawnmower because when I go down there and do chore, the dogs and the dog kennel and the goats and the ducks and everything, a lot better than having to walk on this slipping. Not sure how good you can see that shine, but everything is this solid sheet of ice. Of course, it's melting some now, but this is the worst ice I remember. I'm 25, but see if I can slowly come over here. And yeah, with the chains, I can get through everything, even the ice-covered grass, all of it. I was all the way down there a minute ago when I started the video. I was driving up out of that. Normally, that's, even if there's just a little bit of mud, like even in the summer, that's hard for the lawnmower to get out of, and now it's all ice. Had no problems getting up out of there. You can see my tracks way down in there. Went and got up the hill. Drive across all that, no problem. Highly recommend chains if you're on the fence about getting them. That's it for this video. You can even see the ice on my truck. It's just a solid sheet of ice. See y'all later. Bye-bye.